Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel One to Step, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your profile picture on Spotify. So it's pretty simple to change your profile picture in Spotify. So basically by profile picture I mean the picture which is shown over here. This is my profile picture. So if I change it, my friends are gonna see another profile picture. So right now this guy named Topendra is one of my friend, and as you guys can see the picture over here, this is his profile picture. So if he changes it, then I can see another profile picture. So my friends are gonna see this as well. Right now they can see this, but once I change it, they're gonna see another profile picture. So now how I can change it is, before I show you that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's move forward now. So I can click on my Witchy Kevin over here and click on where it says profile, click on it. Once I'm over here, I want to click on my profile picture. If I hover my mouse on top of it, it's going to say choose photo. I'm going to click on choose photo, and I'm going to go to my desktop and choose whichever photo I want. Let's say I want this as my profile picture. I can click on it, wait for some time, it's choosing it. Once it's done, I can click on save, and my profile picture has changed. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on to our channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.